हाँ जी। नहीं, मैं आपको 2 बार पूछूंगा सवाल, पहले इंग्लिश में फिर हिंदी। आपने 30 दिन बिताए हैं अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से हैं। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
I am honored to have journeyed along with these beautiful women from all across the India. By living with them, I have learned to appreciate our superficial differences and I've learned to celebrate our common love for our nation. I am certainly going to miss this feeling of oneness and unity. I have learned a lot from each one of them, from about their cultures and traditions, which I'm sure that I'm going to cherish throughout my life. No matter wherever we guys are going to go after this, I want to tell to all my fellow contestants that we have made beautiful memories here and we all are going to remember each other. Thank you.
Nervous?
A little bit.
Don't be. You should be very excited. You're a finalist in this prestigious platform. That's a big place to be in. Here's your question. I'm going to say it very slowly so you absorb it, so you can give the audience an efficient and beautiful answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Lovely. You have spent 30 days with your 30 fellow contestants from 30 states of India. What learnings would you take back with you? 30 दिन बिताया आपने अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
Thank you. I think these 30 days that I've spent at FBV Colors Femina Miss India with my fellow contestants have been the most dynamic days of my life. And the only thing that was certain about the whole experience was uncertainty. But the one belief that I would take back with me would be that yes, I can change the world. Because when I entered Miss India, it was only passion and a purpose. But through the journey, I had a vision. So I feel that with that vision in my head and the belief that I can change the world is something that I'm going to take back with me. Thank you.
Wonderful.
You spent 30 days with your 30 fellow contestants from 30 states of India. What learnings would you take back with you? आपने 30 दिन बिताए हैं अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से हैं। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
Thank you. I spent 30 days, one of the most special journey of my entire life that I'll cherish for the whole of my life here. And if I had to take a few learnings back home, then these learnings would be the warrior spirit of every contestant. 30 different states, it's a competition, but we've lived together like a family. It's the warrior spirit of every contestant, the love, the warmth, the culture that they've brought here. I'm going to take that, the essence of every culture, the essence of their warrior spirit with me. Thank you.
Shefali, good evening. Are you nervous, excited, all the above? All of the above. All right. Very simple question, Shefali. I'm going to read it very slowly so you comprehend it completely. So, Shefali, you spent 30 days with your 30 fellow contestants from 30 states of India. What learnings would you take back with you? आपने 30 दिन बिताए हैं अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से हैं। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
Thank you. Good evening. I have learned that empathy is the greatest virtue. I have learned how to experience all of these 30 girls' joy and pain as if it were my own. I have learned humility. I have learned integrity that all of these girls carry with them. And I have learned that resilience and hard work know no bounds. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shefali.
आपने 30 दिन बिताए हैं अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से हैं। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
These 30 days has been the most incredible days of my life, and without a doubt, the most memorable days of my life. And I have learned so many things from this journey. To name a few, I've learned how to be positive all the time and how to not to let the stress get to you. And also, I learned the importance of acceptance, because if we accept ourselves the way we are, it makes us really unique and it helps us stand out in the crowd. And also, the most important thing that I learned is there is nothing called good or bad, but the people are different. I've spent 30 days with 30 contestants, and I've learned that each one of us is different and unique, and we should always accept all the differences and be together and stand in unity. Thank you.
Very well said. Thank you.
You have spent 30 days with your 30 fellow contestants from 30 states of India. What learnings would you take back with you? आपने 30 दिन बिताए हैं अपने 30 साथी कंटेस्टेंट्स के साथ जो भारत के 30 राज्यों से हैं। आप अपने साथ क्या सीख लेकर जाएंगे?
Firstly, मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ कि I'm very lucky that I've got an opportunity to spend 30 days with 30 contestants from different states. And the learning I would take back is that they all are unique in their own way, and they are very compassionate. And one thing that I learned is that respect each other, love each other, and never let others down. And respect each other. That's what I've learned in this journey of FPB Colors Femina Miss India.
Thank you. Respect is your take back, and that's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.